Just I would like to introduce myself. My name is Suraj Kumar, and I have been learning English for 20 years, and I have been teaching English for 5 years. I teach online, offline. I teach in Hybrid application as well. Do you know about Hybrid application? Actually, we
Sure, sir.
talked.
I know this one.
Very nice. Actually, Hybrid application it is the best application. You know that for tutors and for everyone. If you want to learn a spoken English, then it is the best application of India, and it is made in India application. And really, just I appreciate this application because of this. Many English learners they are becoming fluent day by day. And if you have desire to become fluent, must download and just practice 25 minutes daily and practice with experts. It will enhance your English perfectly. Okay, then would you like to tell me that when did you start your English speaking journey?
Yeah, actually, sir, to be honest, I'm telling you, like 1 year ago, I started my learning English. So I could say I have been learning English for 1 year. And near about 5 and 6 months ago, like someone told me about Hybrid application. So I have been also using Hybrid application for to 5 to 6 months, I could say. More than 5 to 6 months. So I know about Hybrid, very good platform. And sir, I would like to ask you one question. Like one question is popping up in my mind. Like you are working as a tutor on a Hybrid application. Is it right?
Yes, yes.
Sir, could you tell me one and two sentences because you are a tutor on Hybrid application. So, like one day I have purchased one subscription on Hybrid application, like near about 10 and 12 days ago. But whenever I used to call to any tutor on Hybrid application near about 5 days ago and 3 days ago, so I couldn't connect with any tutor. I don't know why. Even I have like minutes. So what should I do to connect with any tutor on this application?
Talk to, I think when you click there, talk to experts, then what happened?
Yeah, like I have clicked on like whenever I click on the top part, okay, so there I
Then,
get
then do,
tutor name. There I get tutor name.
uh,
But whenever I
uh,
click on the any tutor names like video call and audio call, so that times my call is
yes.
connecting. That means yeah, my call is connecting only, but I know I'm unable to connect with any people and as well as any tutors. So I have
And
tried to connect with you more than 2 and 3 times, but I couldn't connect with you. I don't know what happened with me.
okay, then no problem. First, you need to check your network connection. And did you try, I think, a video call or otherwise audio call with a tutor?
Sir, I have tried video call as well as audio call. I have tried both calls, and
Okay,
and I could
then
go on, sir.
I have one suggestion for you that whenever just you try, when you just you turn on your recording screen recording. Yes, you do the screen recording, and just you make all the videos that what a kind of I think problem issue you if you have just you record and you send me that screen recording. Yes, again I will talk to I think engineers that what kind of problem just is facing, and again this problem will be I think solved very soon. Yes.
Sure, sure, sir. After like whenever I will try once again, so I will try to record the screen recording, and then I'll send that video on your WhatsApp.
And before that, you need to do one thing that first you uninstall that application. Yes, again you install this one. Yes, because update is suppose that you did not update your application, it will not work properly. That's why first you uninstall, again you install, and again you try. If you are not getting, then again you just record the video and just you screen recording just you do and just you send me. Again, just I will resolve your problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. But sir, if I talk about updates, so I have updated the Hybrid application near about 5 and 6 days ago. So like that time, so I got
Okay.
one notification on my mobile, like try to update the Hybrid application. So I updated even after I'm not connecting.
No problem. Just I told you that first you uninstall the app, again you install from the Play Store, and again just you try to connect with any tutor, and if there will be any available tutor that you try to talk. Again, just you if you are facing this problem again and again, then you record this that screen recording, and again just you send me, and really I will think about it that what kind of solution will be. Just I will tell you very soon. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Definitely, I will record the screen video and I will try to send. First, I will try to uninstall the application from my mobile, and then I will try to like reinstall the application. And again, if I face this kind of issues, so I will record the screen video and I will send you. Is it right?
Great, great. Yes, yes. The
So,
process is
uh,
this, and really, when you will do it, really, I think you will get the result positive. I think it will be positive, but let's see what will be, because you know that there are maybe there are many bugs in this application, because I think there are it is in a progress stage. You know that it is in every day. Just we are updating, just we are making something good in this application. That's why it is not fully developed. It is developing in the process, and that's why just you need not to worry. This application will be fantastic very soon. And whenever just you go, just you give the 5 ratings in this application, and it will be very useful for you. This is my guarantee.
thank you, sir. So, sir, I would like to ask you one question. So, like, am I visible on your display? Because it's my bad luck. Now the light has gone from my area. So, again, the light has come, sir. Oh my goodness.
Okay, no
Now,
problem. Just I can see your picture. I can hear you properly. If you have any question, just you can tell me. Only just I can talk to you only 3 minutes.
okay, sir. Sir. So I have just
Yes.
like some question. Okay, so I would like to ask you. So, sir, so could you suggest me like if I want to become good speaker and if I want to speak very well, so what should I do? Because you are a tutor, so your English is very fantastic. So I'm listening. So could you suggest me something?
Thank you from my bottom of my heart. Just you are praising my English, and really, it is not my English. It is my gurus. You know that who is the gurus English, that because of them today just I am being talk like this, and really just I am progressing every day, because you know that without guru no gyan. Guru bina gyan
Sure.
nahi, as we know this one. And if you are thinking just I will talk only with beginners, if suppose that if you will go to the I think this app and just you will talk only with beginners, the same repeated question they will ask you: what is your name, where are you from, what do you do, what is your name, what are you, where are you from, what do you do, what is your hobby, like this. Only 5 6 questions are there. Approx 10 questions will be more than, yes. And same question they will ask you, and just they won't tell you what is your mistake. When how will you improve? When I will catch your mistake and tell you that uh, Ajit, you need not to pronounce this word like this, you need not to frame this sentence like this, you need to frame this sentence like this, then you will improve really. But practice is most important for fluency and confidence. But if you want to speak correctly, if you want to speak, then you need to talk with experts, because experts will catch your mistake and he will tell you that what should you do, what should you speak, what should you next time, what will you do. Then your English will be improved very soon. And this is my suggestion. And I'm here to tell you that really, if you will follow this rule, 100% guarantee your English will be improved, and you will be one day fluent and correct English speaker. Because most of the people they speak English but they don't speak English correctly. Suppose in good place you want to work, suppose you are working in a good company, you are a manager and in a good position, and you will speak English. Suppose that you are a boy and you will speak like this: मैं आम खाती हूँ. People will understand what are you saying, but
Sure, sir.
people will laugh at you, that being manager or being this great in this great post, and you are speaking like this, the मैं आम खाती हूँ, being a boy. लड़का होके अगर आप इस तरह बोलते हैं मैं आम खाती हूँ, बहुत मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. The people will laugh at you and
Sure.
the people will say what a kind of English you are speaking. They will not, I think, respect you from the bottom of their heart.
Oh, thank you, sir. Your suggestion is very wonderful for me. I'm glad to listen you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you,
sir.
thank you. Superb, superb. It was amazing meeting with you. If you have any queries, just you can text me, and just if I will be free, just really I will help you. Thanks for joining. Thanks a lot.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.